In today's video, I'll be showing you everything you need to know about the new Deriv App, okay? So as you know, guys, right now we have a Deriv App, okay, that you can download. So I'll be basically walking you through the app, showing you how to use it, what to do on the app, what not to do, and so on. As we start, I want to welcome all of you to Deriv Navigator Academy, the best place to learn anything concerning Deriv, right? Now, when you open the Deriv app for the first time, this is what you'll see, okay? Yeah, so anytime maybe you want to check something on Deriv, you don't have to go to your browser and start typing in deriv.com. No, just ensure you have the app. Once you have the app, you open it. I'll be putting the link in the description. Click on that link to download the app. It is free for everyone, okay? Yeah, for those who have, for Apple users and for Android users, you can just download it and you can have it on your phone, okay? So if you want to, when you open the app, this is what you see. So you have home, CFDs, options, and portfolio. Let us start with home. Now in home, let me remove this. You have the option to see your balance. So if you want to see your balance, you just click on this eye icon, and as you can see, you'll be able to see your balance. If you want to disable your balance, you just click on the eye icon and you disable your disable anyone from viewing your balance, okay? Just like that. All right, so basically you click on it like that. Now when you reach here, now you can just come here, scroll down slowly. I want you to scroll to the bottom. When you scroll to the bottom, now we have highlights. Basically here we have any news or information that Deriv might want you to see. We have everything here. Now if you want to know what is new on Deriv, you can just come and click on this part here. All right, and you'll be able to see anything that is new on Deriv, and they'll give you a full explanation about it, like the Deriv trader new look, passkeys and biometrics, simplified transfers, and unified wallet. Okay, basically you get more explanation about any update they do. All right, so instead of just relying on going to their website to find out what is new, you have everything here. Okay, when I scroll up here a bit, now we have Explore Deriv. In Explore Deriv, we have CFDs. All right, if I click on CFDs, okay, I will be directed to this part. So here again, you can be able to see your MT5 balance if you trade on MT5. If you do not have an MT5 account, you can just open it. Again, the link will also be in the description. And then we also have the options option. Now this is where we have, but they are, when it comes to this app, I will not advise you to trade on the app. You can use it to view a balance, transfer. I'll be showing you everything, but yeah, I will urge you not to trade here because we are limited with the trade types that we have. As you can see, we only have vanillas, turbos, accumulators, and multipliers. So we do not have a lot of options, okay? But if you only would trade one of these, you can just come and do it here, okay? Now again, we also have swap free. Again, these are all different types of accounts that you can have in Deriv. So basically any account sorry, that you have in Deriv will be displayed here, okay, in Explore Deriv. And if you click on more, now you'll be able to see all accounts. You'll see everything that Deriv has. So you'll be able to see the recommended accounts that I have, the CFD accounts that you can open. We have trade types that are only available here. You can different rates of depositing and withdrawing. By the way, I'll be showing you how to deposit and withdraw using crypto. Currently, as you know, most payment agents are not working, and I know it is causing a lot of issues, but I'll make a full video for you about how to deposit and withdraw using crypto. Right now, please do not use any payment agent or P2Ps, only use crypto, okay? Yeah, please ensure you download Binance. I'll be putting also that link in the description. Download Binance, open that account, figure out how to deposit. There are several videos on YouTube showing you how to deposit. Once you deposit, so that by the time I'm making the video about how to deposit and withdraw from Binance to Deriv, you already have the account, okay? Please ensure you open a Binance account so that you do not miss out. So withdrawing again, there it is. All right, and for any information about Deriv, trading specs, we also have a separate Deriv Academy here and so on. Again, here you can be able to chat with Deriv and so on, okay? So that is everything that you can have right there, okay? So that is home, okay? That is home. Not a lot of issues there. Now, when you go to CFDs again, it's the same thing. You can just see your MT5 accounts. All right, the featured section is here. Copy trading, for those who like it, it is there. Trading with your teams, financial markets, and so on. Okay, if you want to compare accounts, you can be able to come here and compare different accounts. Okay, again, you have options. Now, in options, now this is where you have a limited number of trade types. As I've told you guys in this app, you have limited trade types. Okay, yeah, so that is why I can advise you if you want to trade on Deriv, you can use the site, okay? You can access it on Google Chrome or any browser. But when it comes to viewing your accounts, just monitoring what is going on, doing some transfers, now this is where you can do it, okay? Now, and when you come to portfolio, now this is where you'll see the total amount that you have. You'll see everything that you have. So currently, as you can see, I can see my US dollar amount. I can see the estimated total value of all my accounts in Deriv. I can be able to see my options balance and so on. Now, if I want to transfer money from one account to another, I just come and click on transfer. And then I select the account I want to transfer money from. Let's say I want to transfer money from, where's my options account? So if I come and look for options, there's my options account. Let's say if I want to transfer money from my options account to maybe my US dollar account, I can just come there let's say I want to transfer, let's say $2, all right? So you can just come there and click on transfer, just confirm. So you can be able to move money around, all right? And as you can see, transfer is successful, okay? Yeah, so you can go back to view US dollar balance. As you can see that it has been updated. So yeah, so this is how you can be able to transfer. If you want to withdraw again, you click on withdraw. Please, I'll be showing you how to withdraw using crypto. That is why I'm saying, please, after this video, I'll be putting the link on the description to download Binance. Download Binance, deposit money in Binance. If you do not know how to deposit, you can check out videos on YouTube how to deposit. If you feel they're not adequate, I'll be able to make a video for you, okay? Yeah, but currently avoid payment agents at all cost. Yeah, avoid them, and P2Ps. If USD works for you, this section, use it, okay? Yeah, but if you're having trouble, especially because with Binance, literally, it is instant, like you don't have to wait, okay? And it is quite quick and it's quite safe, so, but I'll make a video about that. But please ensure you download the app and deposit. I'll be putting the link in the description, okay? Yeah, so that is everything you have. This app is pretty simple. Yeah, so this app is basically very nice for you to be able to view your balances, move money around, make withdrawals. Let's say you are traveling, you don't have to go to deriv.com on your phone. No, you just come to the app. Maybe you want to withdraw something, you withdraw. Yeah, and use it. Maybe you want to deposit something. You can just come here and deposit directly instead of going to the official site or instead of using payment agents, okay? Yeah, you can just do it here. Again, I've said the safest means right now is Binance. So please ensure you download Binance. I'll be putting that link in the description. Download it, deposit. I'll make a video about how to now deposit from Binance to Deriv, all right? Yeah, but that is everything about it. So you can switch from real to demo like that there. Okay, you can switch from real to demo. And so notifications will be here. You'll be able to see all the notifications you have. Okay, there. All right, and so on. So yeah, if you have any question about this, guys, let me know down in the comment section and I'll be able to answer you. Yeah, it's a nice app actually. So again, I'll be putting it, I'll be labeling the links in the description so that you're not confused. Yeah, so I'll be putting the link on downloading this app. So if you want to download this app, it is free. Go to the description, click on it. This app is made by Deriv. It is not mine. Yeah, don't go start saying that I've created an app. No, this is an app created by Deriv. You can just go to the description. Yeah, download it and yeah, check it out. Yeah, it is very nice actually. Okay, yeah, because long ago you had to keep on going to the deriv.com website even on your phone, and it's tiring at times. Okay, but with this app you just click it. As you can see, yeah, you can just now this is my home interface. Just come and click on Deriv like that, boom, and you're in just like that. Okay, yeah, so you don't have to keep on going to Google and so on. Okay, yeah, so again, if you have any question about this, let me know and I'll be able to answer. Please ensure subscribe and like this video. It will be highly appreciated. Please share to anyone who trades on Deriv. Yeah, I'm telling you, Deriv is bringing news items to us as you move along, so please ensure we adjust. Okay, I told you guys, for those who are in my live stream, I was saying that yes, the Deriv interface might not be very likable to all of us, but it is here. Okay, so it is up to us to figure out how to be flexible to it. Okay, yeah, so thank you guys for being here. Thank you for watching. Keep on trading, keep on pushing, and let us meet in the next